kids, have you ever been to a zoo? Have you ever seen a giraffe? Look at that long neck. Shall we draw? We start with an oval shape for the head, not to forget the ears and the bumps on top, of course. Let's do the eyes and the nose and mouth. Right, now for the neck and the body and legs. See, it's super easy to do. Some spots, the tail, and we're ready to paint. Let's go for some brown for the top of our horns, pink for the inner ear, and yellow for the main part of the giraffe. Imagine if you were a giraffe. You would be super tall with that long neck. Imagine the view from up there. I wonder what they can see. I bet they can see everything. Do you know why giraffes have such long necks? Well, I think it is to reach their food, of course, because they eat leaves. Gold for the spots. And if you want to be really creative, you could do multicoloured spots. Beautiful. And the feet. And let's finally do brown for the tail. And there you have it, a gorgeous giraffe. Go and eat your leaves. Bye! Hey kids, how are you today? Let's draw and colour in a zebra, starting with the eye and eyebrow. Doing the outline with the ear and the back, going onto the legs and the hooves. That's it, just copy us, the nose, and the mane and the other ear, tail, and the back leg. There you go. Now we start to add our detail and stripes, first on the mane and then on the body. If this video is going too fast for you, you can always pause it or even rewind. You can do your stripes however you like. Long rectangular shapes, simply just stripes, or even some long triangles. A bit curvy on the legs. Skipping out the hooves, and there you go, we're ready to paint. Black for the stripes and the nose, even blacker nostril. And every other part of the mane is black. And of course, in between those lines that we just drew, leaving a white gap in between each one. Lovely. Have you ever wondered, is a zebra black with white stripes or white with black stripes? We're going for black on the tip of the tail, and also the hooves can be black. Almost there, one more leg to go. And we're done. And there you have it, a cute zebra. Ah, I want to see one now at the zoo. Roar, I'm a tiger. Want to draw and paint me? Yay! Let's start with the outline using a black pen. We're doing from the front foot up the leg to the face and the ears, the back and the tail, and then down. Let's start the legs from the back, leaving some spaces for the claws on the paws. And now we're adding the claws in, doing different sized claws to show perspective. Brilliant. Now for some finishing touches. Separating the feet from the leg, the belly, and the facial features. Now we're going to do our tiger stripes. 3 on each side of the face, and then along the back, and the tail. Lots of triangles to make our stripes. Some whiskers, don't forget it's a big cat. Right, ready to paint. Starting with black, we're going to do all of the stripes or triangle shapes and the nose. Nice and easy. A dab of paint on each. There, going for gold. We're going to do the main body of the tiger gold. Carefully painting in between the stripes, of course, and around the other facial features and the ears. Brilliant, well done. We're just leaving the nose area white, leaving the tummy as well. Leaving the feet as well. Then the rest of the back. And if you want, you can use pens or crayons or even pencils. It's all up to you. There, ready for some yellow for the inner ears and the nose where the mouth is too, and the belly. So it's like a paler shade for those parts. We'll do the feet as well. Not the claws, but the paws. Wow, this tiger is looking really cool. That's it. Right, last but not least, we'll do brown claws. Little dab. 1, 2, 3, and we're done! Excellent! Well done, kids. You did a fantastic job. Rawr!
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!